Hello everyone, in this video I will show you this 3-phase smart power distribution box because before we have made a video talk about single phase, how to DIY it, and in this video, so I will show you this is 3-phase version, how it works and what's the hardware details I will show you. Okay, let's begin. Okay, now we can look at this is 3-phase version of smart power distribution box made by KinCony Controller. And let's look at clearly. And the first you can see this have a power incoming. It's 3-phase version. You can see neutral line L1, L2, and L3. Because in my office I only have this single phase, so this only have lead line and neutral line. So I have connect L1 and L2 and L3 together. If you have in your house you have 3-phase, you just connect with this L1, L2, L3, and neutral, just 4 cable. So this time I just connect with 2 cable. And you can see this is the main brick. And this one you can see 32 channel brick. And this totally have 32 channel. And this 3-phase, so we want to use the load balance. So you can see the yellow cable have connect together, because this is the current is large. So we have used these 3 cables to balance so that the one contact will not go through high current. And you can see this is the green and the red, just the red, you can see the red phase. So all have connected together, just use this bar. And this you can see that is 20 ampere for every brick, and about 10 channel with 1 phase, first 10 channel with yellow, and the second with just the green, and the third 10 channel with red. So that will use this load balance for 3-phase. And every output you can see this phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, all have go through to this contact, KinCony DC contact. And the DC contact output you can see if you have a load, just a lamp, so you can use this lamp, and this blue cable have connect with this neutral one. So you can see this end and that's in neutral, and this is earth, and this is neutral. So this have totally 32 channel DC contact. And every channel you can see goes through this CT sensor. The CT sensor monitors the current. Later I will show you how to detect on the software. And you can see the last one is the fuse. The fuse also connect with this phase 1. And that have output and give this power supply. And the DC 12 watt, or you can use 24 watt. I have used 24 watt this time. And so this have 2 KinCony controller, and this one you can see B32M 32 channel MOSFET controller. So you can see that is MOSFET output and 32 channel, and this LED indicator for 2R, and this is OLED display for Ethernet and Wi-Fi IP address. And if you have connected sensor, that will show the sensor state and sensor value. And this is output DC contact. Connect to DC contact, contactors coil. So this you can see, this is totally 32 channel output, and this is 24, 24, 24, 24 have connected together, and this have connected with this DC contactors coil. Okay, and this is energy meter board KinCony N30. The N30 can detect 30 channel current of the load. And you can see it also has show the IP address of Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. And this is current. You can see the CT sensor. Just connect all this CT sensor at here. And this one you can see that have connect with this voltage L1, L2, and L3. Just 3-phase. This can detect for 3-phase. So the L1 have connect with this just L1 and L2 and L3. So that can detect every phase voltage by N30. Okay, so this is system structure all at here, and you can see this is KCS firmware in my computer. So you can see this one is B32 controller. So that is for on and off. So you can see this is digital input and this is digital output, just a 32 channel digital output. And you can see if I connect, turn on relay 1, turn on output 1, so you can see the lamp is on. And let's look at the energy meter. So you can see this is another web page that is N30. N30 shows the energy meter data. You can see. For example, I have connected the first channel, and you can see the first channel, the voltage, the power factor, and frequency, and temperature. And you can see this is power, current, and this is energy. The energy will be changed. You can see this one now is 0.005. We can wait for a moment. You can see now become 6. So it's a 20-watt lamp, and we can monitor the energy. And you can see we can every channel all showed at here if you have connected the loader. So you can see the first 10 channel, you can see now it become 7. So this can be calculate the current and the power of the energy. So you can see this is N30 that monitor the CT sensor state. Okay, so this B32 controller and also work in Home Assistant and work by this Tuya app. So you can remote control by internet. And just this is my KCS web page monitor. This can work in local network. You can see turn off. This not need internet because it work in local network. And you can see if I can turn on or you can see all channels is on. And if I turn off, you can see I press this button, turn off, and you can see this all channel is off. And also if you can see carefully, if I turn on, the 32 channel will have a delay time between every channel because that will protect your power supply. If all 32 channel power on at the same time, that will have a pause for this power supply. You can see if I turn on, and this will have a delay between every action. But when turn off, this will turn all channel off immediately. You can see this is off, and this is on, and this is on, and this is off. Okay, so that will protect the power supply when turn on all release output at the same time. Okay, so this is KinCony smart home controller. And if you have interesting, you can use by KinCony controller and energy meter and power supply and DC contact and brake, and you can install by yourself in your country and make for your smart power distribution box and for the smart home project. Okay, if you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.